Imagine you're at a coffee shop and you're waiting for a friend to arrive. You know they're running a bit behind, but you're not sure exactly when they'll walk through the door. In the world of options trading, this scenario represents the fundamental concept of calls and puts. These two types of options are the building blocks of a strategy that's sweeping the financial world right now, particularly among young investors. By the end of this video, you'll be able to understand the basics of options trading and make informed decisions about calls and puts. Let's start with the basics. What is options trading? It's a way to buy or sell a security, a stock, commodity, or currency without actually owning it. Think of it like renting a car instead of buying one. When you're in a car, you get to use it for a certain period, but you don't have to worry about the maintenance costs or the long-term ownership. Options trading works in a similar way, allowing you to speculate on the price movement of an asset without taking on the full risk. Now, let's talk about calls and puts. A call option gives the buyer the right